Hello guys, can you find square root of 1296 in just 5 seconds? Can you find 6561 square root in just 5 seconds? Just don't skip the video for 30 seconds and I will guarantee you don't need a calculator to find the square roots ever again. To find the square root of this number, first we have to understand this table. The squares of numbers 1 to 9 and their unit digits. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, so the unit digit is 6. 5 square is 25, so the unit digit is 5. 6 square is 36, so the unit digit is 6. 7 square is 49, so the unit digit is 9. 8 square is 64, so the unit digit is 4. 9 square is 81, so the unit digit is 1. So if you observe this carefully, this table, you can see 1 square and 9 square both are having unit digit as same. 2 square and 8 square both are having unit digit as same. 3 square and 7 square both are having unit digit as same. 4 square and 6 square both are having unit digit as same. And 5 square unit digit is 5. So it's like a water image. Above all 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1. So it is like a water image. Now how to find square root of 1 to 196 using this table? First we have to mark the pairs from the right. This is one pair, this is another pair. We have to mark the pair from the right. So this number is having two pairs. So the square root of this number is having two digits. One is unit digit and one is tens digit. Now this number will give unit digit and this will give tens place. Now whose square is nearest to 12 but less than 12? That is 3. 3 square is nearest to 12 but less than 12. Now the unit digit is 6. Now whose square is 6? 4 square is 6 and 6 square is 6. So the unit digit can be 4 or it can be 6. So between 34 and 36, one should be a correct answer and one should be a wrong answer. How to find which one is correct and which one is wrong? So let us find 35 square. How to find 35 square in just 5 seconds I have already explained. So first step is 3 into next digit, that is 12, and the next step is 5 square, that is 25. So the answer is 1, 2, 2, 5. Now you have to check this number is less than this one or greater than this one. Now this number is greater than this one. So the greater one will be the answer and the smaller one is the wrong answer. So square root of 1 to 96 is 36. So the answer is 36. Isn't it simple, fast and fun? Let us take one more example. How to find square root of 6561 in just 5 seconds. So first of all we have to pair it from the right. So 61 and 65, these two pairs are there. So there are two pairs. So the square root of this number is having two digits. One is unit digit and one is tens place. So this pair will give the unit place and this pair will give the tens place. Now whose square is nearest to 65 but less than 65? That is 8. 8 square is 64. That is nearest to 65 and less than 65. And the unit digit is 1. Here you can see 1 square is 1 and 9 square is 1. So either the answer will be 81 or 89. So among these two, one will be the correct answer and one will be the wrong answer. Then how to check which one is the correct and which one is the wrong? Now for that we have to find 85 square. Now how to find 85 square in just 5 seconds? First we have to multiply 8 with the next digit, that is 72, and we have to find 5 square, that is 25. So the answer is 7225. So now we have to check this number is greater than this one or smaller than this one. Now easily we can see this number is smaller than this one. So the smaller one will be the answer and the greater one is the wrong answer. So square root of 6561 is 81. Isn't it simple, fast and fun? So guys, if you feel my video is useful, subscribe to my channel and wait for my next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram and Bharat Mata Ki Jai.